Hey everybody, this is Larry, this is me going with Q2 of the weekly contest for 7 WoW games in a string. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. So this one, I think to be honest, this entire contest is just mind games. Instead of having us solve, interview problems, these are problems that would never be on interviews only because it would just be like, I don't know, just like too silly almost, right? And in this particular case, I think it's just, I mean, I could go with the answer, but it is just about going through every possibility, right? And every possibility sounds very exhaustive and exhausting, but it's really not that much. Basically, here we have a very first, so we start with Alice's turn, and Alice can make odd number of rounds, right? So if the initial string has odd number of vowels, and don't let the example explanation fool you, you can actually just take Alice can take all the letters, Bob loses, right? Okay, so of course the other case is if the initial string has even number of vowels, then what happens? Well, as Alice can take odd number of vowels with some letters, it doesn't really, the letters actually doesn't matter, and the reason why is because this leads to there are odd number of vowels left, right? And as a result, Bob cannot take all of the letters because Bob can take either 0 vowels, 2 vowels, 4 vowels, ... right? And and because there's odd number of vowels, after Bob's turn, there will also be odd number of vowels, right? And as a result, after that, Alice can take all the letters. Bob loses, right? So that's basically the idea. The only exception is if Alice cannot make the first move, which actually is an example, right? If except 0, because Alice cannot take any letters because there's no vowels. So that's basically it. So that's basically the idea, is just going through this. It's not very interesting. You just count the number of vowels. If there are no vowels, then we return false. Otherwise, we return true. This is linear time, constant space. This is linear time, right? So yeah, that's all I have for this one. Not super, I mean, you just have to go for the cases. But yeah, and you could watch me solve it live during the contest. Now, easy to make mistakes. 2, 0, 1, -1. WoW games in a string. So tired. Any non-empty substring, odd number of vowels. Substring, okay. Non-empty, what is n? N is 10 to the 5th. This seems like I have to think about this one, but you don't have to take from the beginning though, right? Why? This is like one of those logical problems that I don't know how to do. I have to think or something. This is the Q2. Okay, so Alice goes first. If the odd number of vowels then she just wins, right? Because she just take the entire string. I think that's basically the idea. Right, so okay, so if Alice is odd, so this odd, yeah, this is just a confusing game. This is lying. So if it's odd, then she just takes all of them and then wins. If not, if it's even, then what? If it's odd, then we return Alice, right? Oh, return true for Alice. Yeah. If there are no vowels, then it's false, because you just can't play even the first turn. But otherwise, if there's odd, okay, what if they're even numbers? Even numbers, that's a little bit more confusing. If they're even numbers, let's say it's just Leetcode, then should try to take one. So then there will be even number left, and then Bob will try to take an even number of vowels, which doesn't change the fact that there will still be one vowels left. So then after that, Alice wins. Right? This is so like, I can't trust this. So it's just like this is such a troll problem, because if it's odd, or if it is even, takes an odd, Bob will always have at least one number. Okay, fine. I hate you, Leetcode. I hate this Leetcode. What a problem. This is. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. Yeah, stay good, stay healthy to your mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.